Yeah, I think it was like two, somewhere around. Eso es mahal. More expensive from here in Maryland to the Philippines is too much. Yeah, to go all the way from the Philippines to Monterrey, my hometown, it's around 2005 US, and that's for one person. More expensive here in Maryland to the Philippines. Too much. Wow. Diligab says 2,000. Yeah, 2,000. It, yeah, it's expensive and not on the West Coast. Yeah. Eva says I'd rather send it to my family. Yeah. I'd rather my family send it to me. No, I rather them come over here because it's more like for them to come here is better. Dilly says voy a cagar con estos precios. Yeah. Wow, mango,
Green mango.
green mango time. When we go, we have to fly to Texas, then Cali before even starting to the Philippines. Wow, really? How many stops? So you gotta have one, two. How many stops is in total?
Sangka?
Sarah Mango, shout out Sam Magdaga. Where is this one, bro? Shout out where?
Shout out sa mga taga... shout out to the... What? Shout out sa mga taga Cagayan de Oro. She said shout out to Cagayan de Oro.
Oh, it's because her family is from over there. Ah, okay, yeah. Shout out to Cagayan de Oro, guys. CDO in the house.
Lamig siya ang green mango. Lamig siya ang mangga. Sí, gracias.
I had to go to Virginia, then California, then Dubai, then the Philippines. Long flight. Dang. How long? How long was that flight? 30 plus? 30 plus, nah? Man, that's very. That's far, no? But
Suba, suba. Matagay ko tuyo diha.
manga og ginamos.
Oh my God. Yeah, lamig kayo.
What is that?
Mango with what's it called? Salted fish, maybe. What is the
Mango
English?
with salted fish, dry fish.
No, the other one.
Oh, the bigger one, like the one you have right there.
No, it's different one, babe.
Mango with fish. That's a new one for me. Florida Filipinos. It's like 36 hours to get there. Then after getting to Cebu, we take little plane to the Polo. Oh yeah, the little one. Man, 36 hours. Dang, that's longer than my flight.
Matagay kung tuyo, ma.
Shrimp paste, bagaon. Trip Pace is the one you buy